Nestled along a hillside in Beverly Hills, Oak Pass Guest by Walker Workshop is a compact retreat designed to blend seamlessly with its natural surroundings. Set among more than 120 mature coast-live oak trees, the two-bedroom guest house occupies a modest footprint, preserving the landscape while capturing expansive views of the surrounding canyon. Rather than dominating the site, the architecture works in harmony with the terrain and existing vegetation. One of the home's defining features is the adaptive reuse of an existing barn, which was carefully renovated and transformed into the primary living space. This approach preserves a piece of the site's history while giving it a new purpose. In addition to serving everyday living needs, the barn is designed to accommodate small gatherings and events, adding flexibility to the overall design. The house is organized into two distinct volumes that create a clear architectural hierarchy. The lower level contains the renovated barn and shared living spaces, establishing a strong connection to the landscape. Above, a wood-clad volume appears to float over the site, housing two bedrooms positioned to maximize privacy and take advantage of the surrounding views. What makes Oak Pass Guest particularly compelling is its ability to create a meaningful relationship with nature through thoughtful design rather than size. Large openings frame the oak grove and canyon beyond, bringing the landscape into the living experience. The result is a contemporary guest house that demonstrates how architecture can respectfully integrate with its environment while remaining functional, elegant, and connected to place.